Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to claim Section 80 EEB of the Income Tax Act. This section provides a valuable tax deduction for individuals who have taken a loan to purchase an electric vehicle. Understanding the specific criteria and the process is crucial to successfully claim this benefit. We'll cover who is eligible and what conditions apply. To be eligible for the 80 EEB deduction, you must be an individual taxpayer. The loan for your electric vehicle needs to be sanctioned by a scheduled bank or a non-banking financial company. Furthermore, the electric vehicle must be purchased for your personal use, not for commercial purposes. These are fundamental requirements for claiming the benefit. You can claim a deduction of up to $150,000 on the interest paid for your electric vehicle loan. It's vital that the loan agreement clearly states its purpose is for an electric vehicle. Remember to keep all your loan statements, interest certificates, and vehicle purchase invoices handy, as these documents are essential for verification during tax filing. Remember, the 80 EEB deduction is a significant benefit for promoting electric vehicle adoption. Always ensure all your documentation is accurate and readily available. For more detailed information or specific scenarios, consulting a tax professional is always a wise step. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.